Welcome back. This is a 2005 Honda Accord. The check engine light came on, and so I've already connected my scan reader. It's an Autel brand, and now let's see what it says. Yeah, code. As you see, code found. Let's go to down to read the codes. Yes, store codes. Voila, it's a P0139 O2 sensor circuit slow response bank 1 sensor 2. So that means that's the catalytic converter O2 sensor. That's the O2 sensor. That's the sensor that is connected down to the catalytic converter, the one underneath the vehicle. So this vehicle has, if I'm not mistaken, two O2 sensors, one upstream and one downstream. The one upstream, that's the one that's closest to the engine. I will show you later if I'm able to see it. And the downstream is the one, this one here, connected to the catalytic converter underneath. So let's go ahead and look for both of them. Well, this is the engine, and the upstream sensor, you have to, the first one, you have to go in the back where the muffler is connected to the engine. And down here, looking for the upstream. All right, connected to the upstream sensor, and it is down here. I don't know if you are able to see it. Okay, you see here? See? So this is it. That's the okay. That's the first one. That's the upstream sensor. So, and then this one, but that's not the one we are removing. Okay, that's the first one. The one that is in question is further down underneath the vehicle at the catalytic converter. So I just need to show you the upstream. This is this one upstream in the back of the engine. Okay, this one here, and then downstream is further down. Voila, this is the second or the last one. That's the downstream sensor, the P0139, the one in question that is bad, as you can see. So it is connected to the catalytic converter, and there's a long cord, and later I will show you how to follow it along its way and to remove it. And you will need a special socket if you want to remove it easily. Goes all the way here, down here, and then that's the other end. It goes underneath. That's the passenger seat. In the inside. So you have to go inside the vehicle underneath the front passenger seat to unsnap it, to disconnect it. Okay, so I will show you where it is. In terms of tools, I rented, or it's a loan from the auto part. Okay, so that's to have a better access to this here, to remove the O2 sensor. And since it's old, the vehicle is 12, it's a 2005, so 12, 13 years old. So I'm going to use this lubricant here, spray it on the O2 sensor. And for like I said, there are two sensors. This one, you can see this one has a long cord extension, so you can't miss it. Yeah, long one. So now let me show you where the other end is in the vehicle. All right, this is that's the passenger seat, the front passenger seat. You go behind it, not in front. Behind, you don't have to you don't have to unbolt the seat. Some people say you have to, but you don't have to. You come under the back door, and you can move the seat forward, as you can see here. Let me show you the light. Okay, so here, that's where it comes from, underneath the vehicle. You'll have to take this out, and then okay, so this is where it is, and then the wire, the plug, it's there we go, that's right here. You see, it's a little bit hard to find it, but this is it. Okay, this is where it's connected, and you just have to unsnap this one here. Okay, once you unsnap it, it will come loose, and then you'll come over here, you take this out. Oh, look at that, look at a dime. There's money. I found money. I'm rich. See, there's a dime hiding here. Or not only a dime, there's a penny too. You see, there we go. See, that's good I didn't go to a mechanic, because he or she would have taken that money. But anyway, see that? That's from underneath. That's the seal. That's prevent the water from the heat or cold coming from outside. See here, like I said. And then this is the plug. You unplug that, and then this whole thing you pull it out. Okay. So now let's go underneath the vehicle to disconnect it. All right, so I'm going to spray. Ensure. Okay, so I just spray and see here. See this? So it allows us to go in and find the proper setting for it. Okay, see, and then see, I find the proper setting, and then you just turn it to the left. All right, just turn it to the left counterclockwise to remove it. So since I don't have a cameraman, I have to put the camera down and then do it, and I'll show you how it is when I get it out. And after that, we just unclip the wires. Stay tuned. Well, I ended up loosening up the heat shield. The reason is because I couldn't fully access the sensor, because this one it wouldn't go all the way in, because the contour or the side of the heat shield would prevented it from going all the way in to get 100% contact. So I removed the 2 bolts here, and just to bring it to bring the heat shield down a little bit. So now it's out. All I have to do is take this out. Okay, disconnect the wires from underneath the vehicle. Now, look, folks. Many people on the internet, they said I see they remove those clips that hold the wires, the cable. You don't have to. Okay, you don't have to. It's a little bit hard to take them out, but anyway, you see, it's right here. You don't have to. And in case if yours come loose, you can always put a zip tie. But there are 3 slots. It has 3 slots. It depends on the size of the cable. So you can put it 1, 2, 3 slots. See, this one, they're all 3. So you just leave them in place. Leave them in place. Okay, see, 1, 2, and 3. Leave them in place. All you have to do is just take the wire out. And then this one here, that's for underneath the vehicle. So you see that? You push it in, and that's it. This is gonna go up. Now let's go inside the vehicle. again, like I said, the passenger, the rear door, okay, but it's under behind the passenger. Okay, the passenger, now you can see it's already see, I already got it out. Okay, you see that? See, it's already out. And then and that's the cable. You just unfasten it. You see, just follow this. You follow this, and then you'll find it right here. You unfasten it, and you'll take it. You'll take it out. Okay. Now let me go ahead and do that. All right. See, this is it. I managed to get it off the wall, and just go ahead and see, you unfasten it right here. All right, I finally got it out, and this is the new one, as you can see. So the clip I showed you, this will help seal it, have a better tight in the clips underneath. You'll see later. See, one, 2, and 3. And so this is the boot that prevent cold or heat or cold air from getting inside the vehicle, or also from leaving the vehicle. And this is the the old one. So make sure you double check them, okay, to ensure that they are it's the exact fit. Okay, so this is it. So now let me go ahead and put this one back in just the reverse order. All right, so it is snapped. See, it is snapped. So now you see the hole. That's where I'm going to hook it, but you don't have to. Okay, it's placed for it to be properly secure, but you don't have to. I'm going to put it back there, and then that boot, that's to seal this hole here, and that's it. And let's go underneath. All right, we are underneath, and you see here, and where I put the cable back to into the clip. See, number 2 and number 3. So now all I got left is to put put the sensor back in there. Now it didn't come with the anti-seize or anti-seize. But you know, it's not a big deal. I didn't know that it was not included in the box. But I'm gonna put it back in there anyway, because chances are I'm not going to repeat this again, because this vehicle is 14 years old, 15, something like that, and they should last several years. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it back in, just the reverse order. All right, it is in, and you don't have to tie it. Don't do it too hard, folks. Don't do it too hard, okay? Because you might damage it. Don't do it too hard. So now I'm going to put the clips back, and then all I have to do is to reset the code, clear the code, or reset it, and then drive the car for a little while and see if it fixed the problem. But guess what? It must, because that was the issue. But anyway, you see how it's done. It's a very simple job. Now I don't know how much I save here, because mostly it's labor. This thing costs $68 plus tax. Okay, and labor probably it's an hour labor for those mechanic, but you know, they'll charge you 2 hours, 1 hour and a half or 2, and then shop fees or whatever. But anyway, it's something you can do yourself. So again, thanks for watching, and you just learned how to replace your O2 sensors. Again, again, it's best to replace both of them, but I didn't replace the top one because several years ago it was replaced. Okay, thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell for more videos. Bye bye.